Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to pad your bustier and also how to sew a yoke to your bustier. On my last tutorial, I showed you guys how to draft a bustier and also how to cut out a yoke for your bustier. If you've not watched that tutorial, I will advise you go check it out before watching this particular one because this is going to be the sewing tutorial video. I'm going to be leaving the link to the pattern drafting at the comment section and also at the description section. So click on it to watch. Once you're done watching, you can come back over here to watch this video. Please like this video, comment on it. This really helped my algorithm a lot and also help me share. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notification. So let us dive into the video. As you can see, I've gone ahead to use my patterns to cut out on my fabric, and when I was cutting it out on my fabric, I went ahead to add ½ inch around the neckline, the shoulder, the down area, the side, both the back and the front for joining allowance. So I'm going to be keeping the back aside first and work on the front part of this bustier. I also went ahead to cut out these 4 pieces of stripes to turn the neckline of the front and the back. So I'll go ahead and remove the pattern from the yoke like this. I will open it up. So as you can see, this is how it look like. This is the front yoke. I will go ahead and take one of the piece of stripe and use it to turn the neckline. Then I also turn the neckline of the back as well. Now this is the breast tube. After I was done cutting out the breast tube, I also went ahead to cut out lining for the breast tube, both for the back and the front, the side, everything. So every single pieces have their own lining, as you can see. Then on the main material, I went ahead to iron cloth stay on it. I went ahead to iron cloth stay, while on the lining I iron paper stay on it. Please kindly note there's difference between a cloth stay and a paper stay. So as you can see, I went ahead to iron it on every single pieces. So I will go ahead and keep the lining aside and work on the breast tube. So I'll go ahead and arrange it. This is how to arrange your breast tube like this. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to iron my wadding on it. Now this is the wadding I'm going to be using. Some people call it wadding, some call it padded, some call it breast tube, depending on what you call it in your area. And this padded I'm using is the softest padded, very soft. So I'm going to be placing the center piece of my fabric on it like this. The wrong side is going to be facing the side that has gum, which is the right side of the padded. After I am done placing it on it like this, I'll go ahead and cut it out from the down to the side, to the top, and to the other side. Now if you check, you're going to see that I am cutting it out from the down. That is because I want to pad the full center front. And if you don't want yours to be padded from the starting to the hem of the center front, you can go ahead and cut through the under bust line. There are some people that prefer to cut out their padding from the top to the under bust. So if that is what you want, you can go ahead and cut it through the under bust line. So for me, I just want to pad the full center front. That is because the wadding I'm using is very light. Now if you're using a wadding that is so thick, I would advise you should cut through the under bust line, not like pad the full center front. Just cut it out through the under bust line. So I'll go ahead and cut out ½ inch away from my wadding so that I'll be able to sew the yoke on the breast tube. Okay, so it is very important for you to cut out ½ inch away, whether you're using light wadding or thick wadding. Then I'll go ahead and place it on the center front like this. The side that has gum is going to be facing the wrong side. Then I will turn it to the front like this, arrange it properly well, then give it a very good press. So once I'm done, I will keep it aside and work on the side. Now for the side, I'm going to fold my wadding into two because I'm going to be cutting the two sides together at once. So after folding it into two, I will place one part of the side on it like this. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out like this. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Just like I already said, if you want yours to stop under the under bust line, just go ahead and cut through the under bust line. So for me, I wanted to cut it to the hem of the side front. Now what I'm going to be doing here is this. Before I cut out the side, I will go ahead and divide my nipple to nipple measurement by 2, which is 4.025. So divide yours by 2 and mark it at the top. After marking it, I'll go ahead and use my French curve to connect a curved line from the top to the down like this, like a curve, like to the down. Can you see it? It will look like egg. I don't know. So something like this. I hope you guys understand. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go ahead and watch what I just did. You understand. then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll also go ahead and cut out 1/2 inch away from the top, just like as I did for the center front, so that I'll be able to sew the yoke on it perfectly well. So I'll go ahead and arrange the side front like this. I will open up the padded. I will place the side that has gum on the wrong side of the side front like this. Can you see it? I'll arrange it, then I'll arrange this other side as well. So after arranging it, I'll go ahead and trim out a little bit from the top like this, okay, because I just felt like it's still too wide, or it's still too long. So I'll just cut it out, then I will turn it to the front and give it a very good press. When turning it, use your hand to secure it so that it will not scatter. So I'll do the same thing for the other side, as you can see me doing. After I was done ironing it, I'll go ahead and arrange the 3 pieces together like this. Can you see how I arrange it? So I'll place the side front to face the center front like this, right side facing each other. Then I'll go ahead and pin from the top. Just watch and see how I'm going to be pinning this. I'm going to be slow on this part. So I'll go ahead and arrange it like this and pin. As I'm pinning it, I'll be arranging it, making sure that the curved are aligned. Okay, just take your time and pin it, don't be haste. Can you see how I am pinning this part? Just go ahead and arrange it, use your hand to arrange it properly well. So if you can follow it up like this, trust me, by the time you are done pinning it, everything will be equal. One will not be longer than one. So but if you don't do it very well, by the time you are done pinning it, one will be longer than one. So once I'm done, so this is how it look like. I'll go ahead and pin the other side as well. Just like as I already explained, take your time to pin it, don't be haste. Pin from the top to the down, okay, just like as you can see me doing. So once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew it. Now before I sew it, I will go ahead and mark 1/2 inch from the top like this to the hem. Can you see how I am marking it? After marking it, I'll go ahead and connect the points together. Then I'll also go ahead and mark for the other side and connect the points. After I'm done with that, I will take it to the same machine and sew through the line I marked here and the other side. So guys, I am done sewing it. This is how it look like. So I will just go ahead and notch this cuff part. So make sure you notch it before you iron it. So once I'm done notching this part, I will notch the other side. Then once I'm done, I'll go ahead and iron it using my bust ham. I'll just go ahead and turn my bust ham like this so that I'll be able to iron the bust, like the cup side. Very important. So once you're done notching it, go ahead and open it up like this and iron it from the start to the end. So once you are done with one side, go ahead and iron the other side. Once you are done, turn it to the front part of the dress and give it a very proper ironing. So I'll just go ahead and iron the body like this, so you can see how the cup is looking. This is looking so beautiful, and you can see how standing, despite the fact that we didn't even use strong breast pad, we use the softest one. So this is how it look like. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to sew the yoke to the bustier tube. So I've gone ahead to turn the neckline of the yoke, as you can see. Now if you don't want to add sleeve to your own, you can go ahead and pipe in the armhole area, but if you want to add sleeve, leave it like this. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is to bring the down part, which is the bustier tube. So I'll just press it down like this a little. Please just be careful when you are doing this. Then I'll go ahead and flip the right side of the yoke facing towards the right side of the fabric. Then I'll go ahead and pin the middle together like this. Once I'm done pinning the middle, I'll go ahead and notch the middle open like this with 1/2 inch. Please be careful, just go ahead and cut it open with 1/2 inch. Then once I'm done cutting it open, from that point where I cut open, I'll go ahead and pick the yoke, and also I'll just remove the pin from the middle and pin it like this, okay, so that I'll be able to turn it round. So I will just go ahead and take my time and pin it. You can see how I am taking my time, and also when you are pinning it, you have to be careful. Take your time to pin it round because of that V around the front part of the top. You need to be careful. It will stress you a little, but just take your time and pin it. So once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine. I will start sewing it from that notch at the middle to the side. So I'll first of all go ahead and sew one side before I sew the other side. So guys, I am done sewing it, as you can see. So this is how one side look like. I will also check if there's any error. If there's no error, then I will continue pinning the other side. So I'll go ahead and pin this other side from the middle to the side like this. Just take your time and pin it down. Can you see how I am taking my time to pin it? So just go ahead and take your time and pin it. Okay, you just have to be careful. Arrange it properly where as you are pinning, be arranging it. As you're arranging it, be pinning it. So as I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine. I will start sewing it from the middle here. Just go ahead and use your hand to open it up and sew it from there to the end. Okay, so guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. This is how it look like. You can see how smooth it is. So this is how it look like. Then I will just go ahead and notch it after sewing it. Just go ahead and notch it around. Okay, so once I'm done notching it, I'll go ahead and use my bust ham to iron it out like this. I'll just go ahead and iron it. Take your time and iron it. So guys, I'm done ironing it. This is how it look like. As you can see how it look like. You can see how standing the bust is looking. So this is the back part. You can see how neat it is. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to lining it. To lining it, I will flip the yoke backward like this. Then I'll go ahead and place the right side of the lining facing towards the right side of the fabric. I will go ahead and pin the middle together like this. Also take your time and do it. So once I'm done pinning it at the middle, I will just go ahead and arrange it and pin it to one side. Finally, NEPA has interrupted the light, so I'm going to continue like this using my small LED light. I need to finish up with this tutorial today because today is a Sunday and this is early morning. I need to finish it so that I can quickly get set for church, and once I'm back, I will edit and post today. Now that I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew it from here to the end. Then I also go ahead and arrange the side and sew it with 1/2 inch. I will do the same thing for the other side. Now that I'm done with this, I'll go ahead and work on the back part. As you can see, I've gone ahead to piping the neckline and also the opening around the back part of the yoke. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I did. So just go ahead and turn the yoke to the right side. Then go ahead and pin your boba bias or the piece of fabric you are going to be using to turn it. Sew it. Once you're done sewing it, flip it to the back and stitch it down. Okay, so once you're done stitching it, once you are done with that, go ahead and turn the neckline. Place your piece of fabric on it. Come out with about 1/2 inch. Sew it. Once you're done sewing it, go ahead and fold in the 1/2 inch so that the tip will be so neat. Then fold it in. But after that, go ahead and fold it into two, then turn it to the back and sew it just like the same way you pappy the neckline before. Then do the same thing for this opening around this part here. So once I'm done, this is the front part. I've gone ahead to sew it. There's no light to iron it. I will just continue sewing it like that, but if there's light, go ahead and iron your own to make it neat. Now for the back part, I'll go ahead and open up the back part like this. I will remove the lining. Then I will place the yoke on it. Now to know where I'm going to be placing the yoke on, I'll go ahead and mark 1 inch for zipper allowance. Please go ahead and mark 1.5 inches that you added for zipper allowance. Then from there, place your tape on the zipper allowance line and mark 3 inches. If you watch the drafting tutorial, you are going to see that it was 3 inches. I mark a word from the zipper allowance line. So if you mark 4 or 2 inches, that is what you are going to be marking inward. So after marking 3 inches, I'll go ahead and place the yoke on it. I will flip it and use it to close it like this, right side facing each other. Then I'll go ahead and pin it down at the middle. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Make sure the right side of the yoke is facing the right side of the fabric and make sure it is properly placed on it. So once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and use the lining to cover it like this. I will place the lining on it to cover it. So I'll go ahead and pin it like this. So once I'm done pinning this one, I'll go ahead and pin the second one. Once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew it with 1/2 inch. Then once I'm done sewing it with 1/2 inch, I'll go ahead and sew the side like this with 1/2 inch. I will just take the yoke inside like this and sew the side with 1/2 inch. I will also do the same thing for this other one. Okay, so guys, I am done sewing it. After I was done sewing it, I went ahead to iron it. So I'll just go ahead and place the zipper allowance line together and pin it. I will also go ahead and pin these parts together. I'm going to be sewing hook there so that I can hook it once I'm done wearing it. Now I will place the front part of the dress on it. I will go ahead and pin the shoulders together like this. Just go ahead and pin the shoulder. I will do the same thing for the other side. So once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine. I'll go ahead and sew it with 1/2 inch like this. Okay, just sew it, then sew the other side. Once I'm done sewing the shoulder, I will go ahead and pin the side together. I will arrange it just like as you can see me doing. I will pin it down. Once I'm done pinning it down, I will go ahead and shaping it. Okay, this is just me taking my measurements. I will shaping it once I'm done marking out everything. So once I'm done shaping it, I'll go ahead and sew the sleeve on it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and sew my sleeve on it. So guys, I am done sewing it. After I was done sewing it, I wanted to iron it. This is how it look like. You can see how beautiful and neat it is. If this tutorial was helpful, please go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.